Are you a makeup artist or esthetician that is always on the go? Do you want to upgrade your kit or business with professional quality products that are truly exclusive? Or offer your clients at-home skincare regimens that complement your professional service? Maybe you're a performer, a model, designer, or influencer looking for creative ways to stand out from the crowd and connect with your audience. If you're saying yes, then we invite you to apply to our member-exclusive Pro Artist program with Motives Beauty Brands. Our program benefits include insider access to innovative products with cutting-edge formulas, your personal MotivesCosmetics.com website, VIP discounts on all products from any of our exclusive brands, the opportunity to generate an additional supplemental income, access to a powerful community of artists and entrepreneurs, potential exposure for your personal brand or business on our social media outlets. To learn more about the Motives Pro Artist program and apply online, visit MotivesCosmetics.com and click Join Pro Artist. We look forward to welcoming you to our Motives Nation.